Okay, y'all, this is the update I promised to make about quantum remote controls, okay? Now, I received the 3 letters QRC randomly a while back. It is pouring down rain. I'm just sitting here in the Walmart parking lot, channeling away in my notebook. So I was like, let me just pop on here. Anyways, story time over. I related it to quantum remote control immediately. And I was like, I don't know what that is. So I wrote it at the top of my page and I began just writing a bunch of information that came to me without questioning it. And then I further researched anything I could find about it. So let me just read a little bit of what I've written, combined with research as well. Okay, so quantum remote control. Think of this term as a metaphor, right? Okay, for how your consciousness interacts with the holographic nature of reality itself. So in quantum physics, everything is energy and information. And it's constantly shifting possibilities, right? There's no single fixed version of reality. There's multiple potential versions and variations of all things. Just like channels on a television or stations on a radio. So it's your attention, emotions, and beliefs that act as a remote, tuning you into a specific channel, aka timeline, for you to experience. Now, how does this work? So the remote is your mind, your emotions, and your intention. The buttons on the remote is your focus, your imagination, as well as your aligned actions. The signal, as a result of the remote and those buttons, is your vibrational frequency, okay, your overall state of being. And the screen is the reality you perceive and interact with. So rather than passively waiting for life to magically happen for you or to you, you can consciously select the reality you want to experience. Just like I used the TV remote in the last update about superposition in the quantum field, right? You can also utilize this built-in remote that you carry to switch channels. You can choose a timeline you prefer, such as love, abundance, peace, etc., without needing to fight the old channel or timeline. So what you're doing is you're simply just choosing to tune out of the old channel and retune to a different and new channel. Okay, now in quantum mechanics, the observer effect states and shows that observation influences outcomes. So, that would mean your internal focus doesn't only watch reality, it actually also interacts with it. Just like superposition, all possibilities are existing simultaneously until observed. Your choices collapse certain probabilities into form. Okay, this is part 1. In part 2, I'm going to move into practical examples and go a little bit deeper.